Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Rotorazer Saw Platinum Compact Circular Saw, hailed as the best Rotorazer saw of 2021 and is seen on TV. This tool promises to revolutionize your DIY projects with its powerful performance and versatility. Let's start with what makes this saw stand out. Boasting a stronger motor than its predecessor, the Rotorazer Platinum packs 500 watts of power and spins at 4,500 RPMs, allowing you to tackle more advanced projects with ease. Whether you're cutting through hardwood, ceramic tile, or even metal, this saw delivers precise cuts up to 1 inch deep in a single pass. What's impressive is its ability to cut in any direction, horizontally, vertically, and even upside down, thanks to its ergonomic design and lightweight build. It's like having 7 different saws in one compact tool, perfect for anyone tackling home renovations, crafting, or repairs. The Rotorazer Platinum comes equipped with multiple blade types: tungsten carbide, diamond, and steel, ensuring you have the right blade for every material. It also includes a dust collector to keep your workspace clean and a saw case for easy storage and portability. Whether you're installing wood floors, repairing drywall, or crafting intricate designs, this saw handles it all with precision and efficiency. Plus, its adjustable thickness, depth, and parallel guide rail make achieving straight, accurate cuts a breeze. If you're looking to level up your DIY game or surprise dad with a perfect gift, the Rotorazer Saw Platinum is a must-have. It's backed by hundreds of satisfied customers and offers exceptional value for its price point. So, if you're ready to take your projects to the next level, click the link in the description to get your Rotorazer Saw Platinum today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Product Critique.
Happy crafting!